Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are good. Good morning. Have a nice day to all. Welcome to my channel, Lakshmi's English Learning. Today I am going to discuss about indirect and direct speech. Continuation of the indirect and direct speech. Present tense. For example, I said to him, I am in the class now. It's a direct speech. I told him that I was in the class then. It's an indirect speech. Said to become told, and I am become was, and now become then. Note here, I and we become shall. We will return shall. Then it's ordinary feature. Will same I and we will write you will also. At that emphatic feature, like you, he, she, it, and they shall. We will use shall in emphatic feature. We will use will in ordinary feature. For that example, she said to me, I am waiting for you now. It's a direct speech. She told him that she was waiting for him then. Here said to become told, and a comma become that, and I become she, now become then. He said to her, I have been to Delhi recently. It's a direct speech. He told her that he had been to Delhi recently. It's an indirect speech. Here also said to become told, and have become had. Mother said to him, you have been wasting your time for a week. Direct speech. Mother told him that he had been wasting his time for a week. Said to he told, and have become had. Sorry, have been become had been. You become his for a week. It's an indirect speech. Then simple past. She said to him, I didn't attend the class yesterday. It's a direct speech. She told him that she hadn't attended the class the previous day. Didn't change, hadn't. Said to become told him. Yesterday becomes the previous day. She said to her father, I was studying then. She told her father that she has been studying then. Said to become told, was become had been. Like already I told to you in previous session. Like simple present will become simple past. Past continuous become present continuous will become a past continuous. Present perfect will become a past perfect. Past present perfect continuous will become a past perfect continuous. Then she said to her father, I was studying then. Direct speech. She told her father she had been studying then. It's an indirect speech. They said to me, we had been doing this training for 2 months by yesterday. They told me that they had been doing that training for 2 months by the previous day. Said to become told, we become they. Had become. Why? Because of this is already now past. This become that. Training for 2 months by the previous day. Yesterday becomes the previous day. It's in future tense. She said to him, I will not marry you. It's a direct speech. She told him that she should not marry him. Will become should. Why? Because it's an emphatic feature. He said to us, I will be doing a nice job here, nice job in America at this time next year. It's a direct speech. He told us that he should be doing a nice job in America at that time next year. It's an indirect speech. Said to become told, I become he. Means here is the subject. He is the subject. That's why he will use the he. Doing a nice job in America at this become that not time next year. And further another example, he said to me, I will have been learning English for 2 months by tomorrow. He told me that he should have been learning English for 2 months by the next day. Said to become told, I become will. Sorry, I become he. Will become should. It's an emphatic feature. That's why will become a should. Learning English for 2 months by tomorrow. Tomorrow will become a next year. Note next week, next day, next year. There is no change in these things. Same we will write as it is. There is no change. He says to us, my father is a business magnate. Direct speech. He tells us what his father is. Sorry, that his father is a business magnate. Indirect speech. Said to become tells. Sorry, says to become tells. Tells. My father means his father. Means here is the subject is his. He. Pronouns is the his. She says to them, I have a good experience in teaching English. It's a direct speech. She tells them that she has a good experience in teaching English. It's an indirect speech. Says to become tells. I becomes she. Have become changed as. Why? Because she is the third person singular. That's why we have to write has. I will say to him, I will not help you. It's a direct speech. I will tell him that I will not help you. It's an indirect speech. Say to become tell. I said to him, I will not help you. I told him that I would not help you. Said to become told and will become word. It's a past form of will. He said to her, I am working hard now. He told her that he was working hard then. Said to become told, am become was and now become then. It's an indirect speech. They said to me, we can drive any vehicle. It's a direct speech. They told me that they could drive any vehicle. It's an indirect speech. Said to become told and comma become that and we become they. Can become could. It's a past form of can. Drive any vehicle. He says to her friends, Gopi was work hard. Gopi works hard. Direct speech. He tells her friend. He tells her that Gopi works hard. Says to become tells. Comma become that and Gopi works hard. It's an indirect speech. I said to her, I will work hard. Direct speech. I told her that I would work hard. Said to become told and comma become that and will become will is the past form of would. And another example, she said to me, he might not come here. It's a direct speech. She told me that he might not have come there. Said to become told. Might itself might. It's already past. We wrote in past form. There is no change in might. Here will become there in indirect speech. Father says to him, you should not hurt others. It's a direct speech. Father tells him that she should not hurt others. He should not hurt others. Says to tell become tells and comma become that. You should you means here father means he will become like change he. He should not hurt others. It's an indirect speech. He said to us we ought to respect our elders. He told us that we ought to respect our elders. Said to become told we ought to respect our elders. It's a statement. There is no change in this. Note, like a general sayings, great man sayings and quotations, we have to write as it is. There is no change in these sentences. For example, Gautam Buddha says thoughts have the power to develop you or destroy you. It's a direct sentence. Direct speech. Gautam Buddha says that thoughts have the power to develop you or destroy you. It's an indirect speech. Just we change only comma become that, remove or inverted commas. Like another example, Swami Vivekananda says strength is life and weakness is death. It's a direct speech. Swami Vivekananda says that strength is life, weakness is death. Here you observe only, instead of the comma place we write that and remove the inverted commas, like we did only that one. Friends, here just we will observe direct speech, we put that comma in inverted commas, and indirect speech we remove that comma. Instead of that place we write that and remove inverted commas. And all depend upon the like a tense. We will change that tense, like a will becomes would and have become had, like that. Thank you friends. I will continue in another video. Thank you for watching. Please like, if you like my video, please like and share and comment. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.